Question number 5. L passes through point 1, 3 and B minus 19 minus 19. Find the equation. The gradient is m is y1 minus y2. I'll write like this: 3 y1 minus y2, 3 minus 19 over 1 minus 19. So 3 plus 19 over 1 plus 19. So this is going to be 22 over 20, which is 11 over 10 divided by 2. Actually, which is 1.1. Now, I'll consider this one: y minus y equal m times x minus x1. Y minus 3 equal m in 1.1 times x minus 1. Y minus 3 equal 1 point times x minus 1.1. Y equal 1.1x plus 2 minus 1.1. So y equal, when you take 1 out, 2 is remaining, another 0.1, then 1.9. Y equal 1 point, sorry, y equal 1.x plus 1.9. To get rid of the decimals, I'll multiply by 10. Then 10y equal 11x plus 19. Then I will bring 10y to other side. 11x minus 10y plus 9 equal 0. Ax plus bx by plus c equal 0. A equal 11, b equal minus 10 and c equal 9. Question number 6. A is 2.2 and B is 6.60. I want to find the equation. Y minus y1 equal m times x minus x1. So first of all, let's find m. M equal 2 minus 0, 2 minus 0, y1 minus y2, then divide by x minus x2. 2 over minus 4 minus half. Y minus, I'll consider this point again, 2 equal minus half times x minus 2. Y minus 2 equal minus x over 2. This is going to be plus 1. Y equal minus x over 2 plus 1 plus 2. Y equal minus x over 2 plus 3. Part B, coordinates minus 9, 0. And the gradient is 1 over 4. So y minus 1 equal m times x minus x1. Y minus 0 equal 1 over 4 times x minus 9. Y equal 1 over 4 x plus 9. Y equal 1 over 4 x plus 9 over 4. Question number 7. A is 1 3 square root 3. B is 2 plus 3 square root 3 and 3 plus 4 square root 3. Now first of all we need to find the equation of AB line, L line basically. We'll find the gradient y1 minus y2. 3 plus 4 square root 3 minus 3 square root 3 over 2 plus 3 square root 3 by 1. So this is 3. 4 square root 3 minus 3 square root 3. 4a minus 3a a. Likewise, this is square root 3 and this is 2 minus 1, 1 plus square root 3. Now, we can rationalize the denominator. 1 plus square root 3 multiplied by 1 minus square root 3, 1 minus square root 3. So this is going to be difference of two squares. This is going to be 1 minus 3 and this is going to be 3 minus square root 3 plus square root 3 minus 3, which is this cancel out, minus 2 over square root 3 over minus 2. Minus 2 to minus 2 cancel out, which is square root 3. Gradient is square root 3. Now, the equation y minus 1 times m times x minus x1. Y minus 3 square root 3 equal m is square root 3 times x minus 1. Y minus 3 square root 3 square root 3x minus square root 3. Y equal square root 3x minus square root 3 plus 3 square root 3. This will become y equal to 3x plus 2 square root 3. So this line meet at x-axis. At x-axis y equals 0. Then 0 equal 3 square root 3x plus 2 square root 3. It means square root 3x equal minus 2 times square root 3. Square root 3 to square root 3 cancel out. X equal minus 2. Minus 2. So the coordinate is minus 2, 0. Question number 8. A is minus 4, 6. B is 2, 8. A is minus 4, 6. B is 2, 8. This is B. So this one go through another line, go through B. The name of this line is P. So we want to find the equation of this line. The plan is this is perpendicular. This P line go through 2, 8. If I know the gradient of this line, I can find, since I know point, I can write the equation. To get the gradient, since those who are, if I know this gradient, then I can find the perpendicular gradient. So gradient of AB. So this is the plan. We'll find the gradient MAB equal 8 minus 6, 2 minus 4. This is 2 and this is 6. This is 1 over third. The MAB is 1 over third. Then we know this is minus M equal MP is minus 3. We know we have to show that. So 1 third times MP equal minus 1. This is the rule. Then MP equal minus 3. Now we can write the equation because we know gradient and the point. Gradient is minus 3, point is 2a, y minus y1 equal m times x minus x1, y minus 8 equal minus 3 times x minus 2, y minus 3x plus 6. So y minus 3x plus 6 plus 8, y equal minus 3x plus 14. So P line meet y at y-axis. P line meet y-axis at C. So at y-axis x equals 0. So y equal minus 3, 0 plus 14. So y equal 14. Y-intercept. So yeah, you can look at y-intercept is 14. That's the meaning of that. So C is 0, 14. Question number 9. The line L, this is L, 2x minus y minus 1 equals 0. And the line M passes through the point 0, 4 perpendicular to L. This is L, this is M. So it's going perpendicular to L and passes through 2, 3, 0, 4. Find the equation of M. So find the equation of M. So we have a point in our hand. If we know the gradient, we can find the equation, but we can find this gradient. As a result, we can find this gradient. So this is 2x minus y minus 1 equals 0, 2x minus 1 equal y. In other way, y equal 2x minus 1. So gradient M equal 2. So ML equal 2. Now this is M. Okay. So ML times MM equal minus 1 because since they are perpendicular, gradient multiply product of the gradients equal to minus 1. So 2 times MM equal minus 1, MM equal minus half. So this is now minus half. Now we have a point and gradient is minus half. Now we can work the equation. Y minus y1 equal m times x minus x1. So y minus 4 equal m in minus half times x minus 0. So y equal minus half x plus 4. So this is equation of this line is y equal minus half x plus 4. Now we want to show that part B. This point is 2, 3. Now we have this equation y equal to x minus 1 and y equal minus half x plus 4. Now solve those two equations. I am going to make equal 2x minus 1 equal minus x minus 2 plus 4 equal to. Then 2x plus x over 2 equal 1 plus 4, which is 5. This is 2 and half. 2, and this is half of x, 2 and half x. 2 and a half, 2.5. You can write 5 by 2x or equal 5. Now this 5 and 5 have cancel out. X equal to, right? When x equal to from 1, y equal to 2 minus 1, 4 minus 1 is 3. So the coordinate of this intersection point is 2, 3. Now there is another line called N is go through 0, 3, 3, 0, parallel, and they are parallel. It means the gradient of this one is minus half, and this is also minus half. Now we can write the equation of find the now we can write the coordinate equation of N. Then we want to find this intersection point. Now Mn equal minus half as N and N are parallel. M and N are parallel, so minus half to they are minus half gradient. Now we can write the equation. We know the 1 point, and M equal minus half, y minus y1 equal m times x minus x1. Y minus 0 equal minus half a times x minus 3. Y equal x over 2 plus 3. Now this is 3. Now I want to find the coordinate of this point. Then I have to solve those two equations. This is y equal minus x4 plus 3. Now, so when you multiply this one, minus half x plus 3 over 2, actually 3 over 2. Now we have to solve those two equations. Now 3 and 1, y equal 2x minus 1, L and N. So this is 1. So from 1 and 3, I am making equal 2x minus 1 equal minus x over 3 over 2. So 2x plus x over 2 equal 1 plus 3 over 2. This is again going to be 2 and half mean 5 over 2x equal. This is 5 over 2. 2 times 1 plus 3. Then x equal 1. Now from 1, y equal 2 times x value is now 1. We found out x equal 1. 2, 1 minus 1, which is 2 minus 1 is 1. It means this coordinate is 1, 1. Question number 10. L1 going through 2 point 0 minus 2 and 6, 7. We'll find the gradient. Before find the line equation, m equal 7 minus minus 2 y1 minus y2 divided by x1 minus x2. 9 over 6, which is 3 over 2. Now we write the equation. Now I consider this point y minus y equal m times x minus x1. So y minus minus 2 equal m times m mean 3 over 2 times x minus 0. Y plus 2 equal 3 over 2x. Y equal 3 over 2x minus 2. Now we have L2 equation, x plus y equal 8, and it crosses y-axis at point C. At point C, crosses y-axis mean x equal 0. Then y equal 0 plus y equal 8 from here. Y equal 8. Now that is C coordinate is 0, 8. And L1 and L2 intersect at D. Now y equal 3 over 2 x minus 2, and this one uh, x plus y equal 8. It means y equal minus x plus 8. This C point is 0, 8. Now we want to find the intersection point of this one, which is D. So I'll make equal to equal, and I'll solve. So 3 over 2x plus x equal 8 plus 10. 10 equal again 5 over 2x. 3 and a half, which is 7 over. This is 5.2 over x. So this is cancel out 1, 2. X cross multiply x equal 4. You have 5 2 over x equal 10. X equal 10 times 2 divided by 5, which is 4. From 2, when x equal 4, y equal minus 4 plus 8 is 4. The coordinate is 4, 4. Now I have to find the area, then I have to draw a bit accurately this one. So this has a positive gradient and y-intercept is minus 2, something like this. This has a negative gradient and goes 0, 8. So this is C, 0, 8. And we found out this is 4, 4, D. And what is the other point? So A is 0 minus 2. Now we want to find the area of this one. Area of ACD. Half a base times height, because it's a triangle. If I take this one base, this is going to be the perpendicular height. So this is up to here 8. This distance is 2. So total is 8 plus 2, 10. Half 10 times. What is the height? Height is going to be this distance. This means this value, x value 4 times 4. So 10 times 4, 40 divided by 2, 20 square units.